My hero.
My basi.
Mbriri useneman. Edi yetenya. Edi yo wapasi. Simon Eddie, Obong engineer, 2 weeks or more.
Today is the birthday of our beloved daddy, our fine daddy, our God-fearing daddy. His name is King Engineer Udwaiba Umo.
If you do Udwaiba,
that's 2 weeks. Kiko Udwaiba.
Okay. Oh, idiot! You know you have a so young fee.
Daddy, we say may God punish. Sorry, bless you.
Asatme. Bama mi have in you fin fake be koku Udwaiba.
That's 2 weeks. Mimpa young terong yenye.
And you go.
Yeah, 2 weeks. We na my birthday me no.
Asatme.
Koutado.
You tell you know you have a so young fee. Go up when you need tears.
We say may God bless you because you have a heart of gold.
Never a heart of gold.
That's a tears. That's a golden heart.
You know you have a sick payment fee.
May God protect you. Nothing will do you. As you help people, God will give you money. Oh, Daddy. Because today is your birthday. Chop, drink, sing, dance, count money. Count money. Instead, you are going to get any woman you back.
Okay, tell him about you will say you will cook.
My
hero.
Abasi.
Happy birthday to you, Obong engineer, 2 weeks or more, aka Mpo Uto Ukanafon from Ebekbo. That's Kingdom. We love you. Obong Young Ebekbo.
Akboma.
Sasama.